What is up, guys? Welcome back to I2V 2025 channel. Have you seen those mind-blowing clips on TikTok and Shorts lately? You know the ones. It starts with a cinematic shot of a superhero or a high fantasy world, and then the camera pulls back to reveal it was all just a movie set. It looks incredibly realistic, and today, I'm going to show you exactly how to pull off that effect using the new Wan 2.2 LoRA High-Set Reveal. The secret behind this trend is a specific LoRA by Wan 2.2. You can find the link in the description below. Now, for the technical side, I've already shown you exactly how to use LoRAs in Wan 2.2 in my previous video. If you need a refresher on the setup, or how the new architecture handles LoRAs, definitely refer to that video for the detailed instructions. For this high-set reveal effect, I'm making it easy for you. I'm providing a complete workflow in the description. I've already dialed in the specific prompts and the exact settings, including the 16-frame configuration and high-noise LoRA, so you can just plug it in and start creating. But enough talk, let's see what this thing can actually do. Check out these results I rendered earlier. Pretty incredible, right? The way it handles the lighting shift from cinematic to studio rafters is just seamless. If you want to create your own viral set reveal videos, grab the workflow and the LoRA from the links below and start experimenting. If this video helped you out, smash that like button and subscribe to I2V 2025 for more AI tutorials and workflow deep dives. If you run into any issues with the frame counts or noise settings, drop a comment and I'll do my best to help you out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.